Every AWM rifle begins with precision engineering, where expert designers use advanced SAD software to create perfection before production. Only aerospace-grade materials pass rigorous testing. Each steel alloy undergoes chemical composition analysis. Inside temperature-controlled halls, advanced CNC machines shape components with microscopic accuracy. The barrel, the rifle's heart, undergoes specialized processing. High-strength steel receives stress relief treatment. Protective coatings resist moisture, extreme temperatures, and battlefield abrasion. Each surface receives military-grade treatment for maximum durability. Technicians assemble each AWM with surgical precision. Human craftsmanship combines with technology, ensuring perfect structural alignment throughout assembly. Quality checkpoints guarantee excellence. Automated systems and trained inspectors verify every dimension, rejecting anything failing strict standards.
Reliability is consistent across all simulated environments.
Confirmed. The data aligns perfectly with the mechanical stress tests.
Excellent. This unit is cleared for production.
Each certified rifle receives comprehensive documentation. Manufacturing data, inspection results, and compliance
protects perfection during transport. Secure distribution follows strict defense regulations, delivering battlefield-grade excellence to professionals worldwide.
Raw materials arrive under strict chain of custody. Every steel ingot and aluminum block carries certified documentation proving origin and composition.
Precision heat treatment strengthens metal components. Controlled thermal cycles enhance durability and structural integrity. Before physical production begins, virtual simulations test every scenario. Engineers analyze vibration. Internal barrel rifling demands absolute precision. Computer-controlled grinding creates perfect spiral grooves.
Advanced electroplating shields barrels from corrosion. Chrome layers bond molecularly to steel, protecting against moisture, salt, and chemical exposure.
Aerospace-grade polymers form stocks and grips. Reinforced composites provide lightweight strength, resisting impact.
Mechanisms require microscopic precision. Each sprung, pin, and surface is calibrated to deliver consistent pull weight and crisp release. Advanced electroplating shields barrels from corrosion. Chrome layers bond molecularly to steel, protecting it.
Aerospace-grade polymers form stocks and grips. Reinforced composites provide lightweight strength, resisting
Mechanisms
impact.
require microscopic precision. Each spring, pin, and surface is calibrated to deliver consistent pull weight and crisp release.
Hard ensures reliable cycling. Hardened steel components machined to exact tolerances guarantee smooth operation under battlefield conditions.
Must feed flawlessly every time. Spring tension, feed lip geometry, and follower design are tested to ensure absolutely reliable ammunition.
Precision mounting rails accept optics and accessories. Exact slot spacing and hardened surfaces ensure zero shift when equipment is attached.
Muzzle threading must be perfectly concentric. Precision lathe work ensures suppressors and brakes attach squarely, preventing accuracy-robbing misalignment.
Cryogenic treatment stabilizes molecular structure. Sub-zero temperatures relieve residual stress.
Laser marking ensures traceability. Serial numbers, proof marks, and certifications are indelibly engraved for lifetime identification and accountability.
Space must be perfect for safety and accuracy. Gauges verify exact chamber dimensions, ensuring reliable cartridge containment and consistent ignition.
Accessories enhance operational capability. Bipods, slings, and adjustable components are installed and tested for secure mounting under recoil
Environmental
stress.
chambers simulate global extremes. Rifles endure Arctic freezing, tropical humidity, and desert heat to verify flawless operation anywhere.
Vibration testing replicates transport and field handling. Mechanical stress simulators verify structural
Stress testing eliminates human variables. Each rifle proves sub-MOA accuracy capability before any shooter interference, guaranteeing inherent precision. Ammunition compatibility ensures universal reliability. Various manufacturers mounting requires perfect alignment. Laser collimators and bore sighters ensure scopes mount true to bore axis, providing immediate zero capability. Integration maintains accuracy while reducing signature. Sound measurement and alignment verification ensure attachments don't compromise precision or reliability. Cleaning removes manufacturing residues. Protective preservation oils coat all surfaces, ensuring rifles arrive ready for service without corrosion.
Comprehensive documentation accompanies every rifle. Technical manuals, parts lists, and maintenance schedules provide operators with essential reference information.
Quality gatekeepers have absolute authority. Senior inspectors conduct comprehensive audits, rejecting any rifle failing to meet perfection standards. Rifles await shipment in secure vaults. Climate control preserves perfection, while inventory systems track every unit pending distribution authorization.
Compliance ensures legal distribution. Specialists verify licenses, end-user certifications, and international regulations before any cross-border shipment. Custom packaging protects during global transport. Precision-cut foam cradles rifles perfectly, while water receives comprehensive tracking. GPS sensors, tamper detection, and chain of custody documentation ensure accountability from factory to destination. Transport ensures secure delivery. Vetted carriers, armed escorts, and predetermined routes protect high-value shipments throughout the distribution journey.
Innovation never stops in R&D laboratories. Engineers continuously test new materials, coatings.
Microscopic analysis reveals material truth. Electron microscopes examine grain structure, ensuring steel composition.
Master craftsmen train the next generation. Apprentices learn precision assembly techniques. Quality
Tools
standards.
require their own precision checks. Metrology laboratories calibrate every gauge and micrometer against national standards, ensuring measurement accuracy.
Sustainability drives waste management. Metal shavings and rejected components are carefully sorted and recycled, maintaining environmental
Security protects intellectual property. Cybersecurity teams defend manufacturing systems, designs, and customer data against espionage and cyber attack.
Intelligent inventory systems optimize production flow. Automated tracking ensures components arrive exactly.
Customer specifications drive custom configurations. Client relates teams translate military requirements. Returned rifles provide learning opportunities. Failure analysis reveals real-world
Prototype
stress.
development explores innovation frontiers. Master craftsmen hand-build experimental rifles, testing new concepts before committing to production. Research validates ammunition performance. High-speed photography captures bullet behavior, ensuring terminal effectiveness while maintaining accuracy standards. Lifecycle testing predicts service longevity. Automated systems fire thousands of rounds, revealing wear patterns and validating maintenance.
Acoustic analysis measures sound signatures. Specialized chambers isolate rifle noise characteristics, supporting suppressor development and signature reduction research.
Corrosion testing validates coating effectiveness. Salt spray chambers simulate decades of marine exposure.
Testing ensures polar reliability. Sub-zero chambers verify rifles function flawlessly when lubricants thicken and metals contract from extreme cold. Desert conditions challenge every mechanism. Extreme heat and abrasive dust testing proves rifles maintain reliability in harsh Middle Eastern environments.
Immersion tests prove weatherproofing. Submerged rifles must function immediately after retrieval, demonstrating fuel integrity and moisture protection.
Compatibility ensures modern integration. EMC testing verifies optical sights and accessories function reliably amid battlefield electromagnetic interference. Human factors engineering optimizes operator interaction. Ergonomic research ensures controls fall naturally to hand.
Publications enable field maintenance. Writers create comprehensive manuals with photographs and diagrams, ensuring operators can service rifles anywhere.
Supply chain excellence ensures uninterrupted production. Procurement teams maintain relationships with certified vendors.
Continuous improvement drives efficiency gains. Engineers analyze every process step.
Lifetime support stands behind every rifle. Service centers provide warranty support, technical assistance, and genuine replacement parts throughout operational life.
Quality assurance maintains standards. Oversight teams audit subcontractors regularly, ensuring every component meets specifications regardless of manufacturing source. Legal protection preserves competitive advantages. Intellectual property teams secure patents, trademarks,
Global compliance enables worldwide distribution. Regulatory specialists ensure rifles meet diverse national
planning
standards.
protects users and reputation. Risk management teams maintain recall capabilities, ensuring rapid response if safety issues ever
Intelligence
emerge.
guides product evolution. Research teams analyze customer needs and competitive developments, informing future rifle capabilities and
Intelligence
features.
guides product evolution. Research teams analyze customer needs and competitive developments, informing future rifle capabilities and features.
Demonstration rifles showcase manufacturing excellence. Specially prepared presentation units help customers understand quality.
Professional imagery communicates quality visually. Photography studios create compelling images for catalogs.
Analysis identifies improvement opportunities. Engineers study rival products, understanding strengths and weaknesses to maintain technological leadership.
Military partnerships shape product development. Liaison officers translate combat experience into engineering requirements.
Law enforcement variants serve domestic protection. Customization centers adapt rifles for police tactical
Civilian
teams.
variants respect legal frameworks. Sport shooting production adapts military precision for competition use while ensuring compliance with regional regulations.
Tolerances on the new polymer are excellent.
Yes, the transparent housing really helps the trainees visualize the
Training
mechanism.
rifles educate without ammunition. Cutaway models and inert units teach proper handling, maintenance, and operational procedures
Ammunition
safely.
development maximizes rifle potential. Custom cartridge loads are engineered specifically for AWM barrels, optimizing accuracy and terminal
Bore
effectiveness.
testing validates real-world scenarios. First shots from ambient temperature rifles must hit precisely, critical for sniper employment.
Testing ensures zero retention. Vehicle mounting and airborne deployment simulations verify rifles maintain accuracy after transportation stress.
Receives individual verification. Electronic gauges measure every rifle's trigger, ensuring consistent weight, minimal creep, and positive reset.
Concentricity ensures accuracy potential. Laser measurement verifies barrels are perfectly straight from chamber to muzzle, eliminating alignment
Rigidity
errors.
affects accuracy consistency. Load testing verifies polymer stocks resist flexing under bipod pressure and maintain dimensional stability.
Reliability must be absolute. Testing with worn cases, dirty chambers, and temperature extremes proves that rifles extract reliably.
Mechanisms undergo rigorous verification. Drop testing and function checks prove rifles cannot fire accidentally, protecting operators from unintended discharge.
The audio is characterized by the sounds of mechanical testing and precision
Equipment
work.
enables field maintenance. Cleaning kits and tools are engineered specifically for AWM requirements, simplifying operator-level inspection ensures complete deliveries. Checklist verification confirms every accessory, document, and component accompanies rifles before shipment authorization.
Delivery coordination ensures timely arrival. Logistics teams schedule shipments, coordinate carriers, and track every rifle until signed delivery confirmation. From design to delivery, American engineering excellence creates AWM rifles. Precision, quality, and